Here we have our tie-dye pillow. This is week 7 of Sensory Scientist, and students are going to be exploring primary colors and color mixing with this amazing absorptive cotton baby wipe. Keywords: primary colors. Primary colors describe the base colors that we use to mix other secondary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Keyword: secondary colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors. The secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. So here we have our supplies for our tie-dye pillows. We have food coloring. You can also use watercolor in red, yellow, and blue because we're learning about primary colors today. We have some rubber bands, some pencils. To drop our food coloring onto our pillows, you can use either a pipette or just a piece of a straw like I'm using today. We have some stuffing. We have baby wipes, which are made of cotton, some paper towels in case of any mess, glue sticks, and a low temp glue gun. Safety stop. Whenever you're using hot glue in the classroom, make sure you're using a low temp glue gun. It'll say on a sticker on the side. We also have in the warehouse high temp glue guns. These are actually pretty dangerous, but they get very, very hot. So remember, whenever we are using glue guns in the classroom, low temp. To start tie-dyeing my pillows, I'm going to open up this package and pull out 2 baby wipes, each of which I'm going to tie around the end of a pencil. The reason we're using cotton baby wipes is because cotton is a really absorbent material. So you're going to be talking with your group about absorbencies, just like we were doing with our roof challenge a few weeks ago. And you'll notice I'm doing my work on a tray today. These cafeteria trays live in the warehouse. You're welcome to use them for projects. Make sure they don't go home with campers and that they get returned clean. But these are a really great resource for when you have messy projects. So I've attached my baby wipes to my pencils using a rubber band. And now I can use my dropper bottles and my straw to drip color onto the baby wipes. This is a really fun way to talk about color mixing with your group, and it's also a really good way to visualize absorption because you can actually see the colors spreading throughout the fibers of the cotton. Alright, so my next step is going to be to take these off of my pencils. And let them dry. Depending on your group and how messy this got, this may be a 2-week project where you take these pillows home and then dry them over the course of the next week and bring them back and finish them the following week. Now that my pillow faces have dried, I can stuff my pillow. So I'm going to use my low temp glue gun to glue together 3 sides of the pillow. Press it together. A little more glue on this first side. You have to work pretty quickly because the glue is going to dry. But you can always patch up any holes later. Not a big deal. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of my stuffing, gently put it inside. I'm going to glue together this last opening. And I'm going to patch this last little hole right here. When working with students, especially younger students with hot glue, I like to say they have to wait 30 seconds before they can touch it, just to make sure no one gets burned.